Hey guys, Meowcat Gaming here, and today we're going to be building my PC. Okay, so let's start by unboxing the case.
By the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Let me show you all the ways, yeah. Let me show you all the ways,
Okay, so the next step is to install the CPU onto the motherboard. So let's open up the CPU box. Oh, there it is. Go back in there. Okay, so there's some pre-applied thermal paste. That's good. Quite low. I thought it'd be taller. Got the cable, which we need to undo. There you go. And then the CPU itself. Here we are. And some random stuff at the bottom. Get this out of the way. Right, so the next thing we need is our motherboard. So, just make sure that doesn't fall off. So let's open up the motherboard. Don't need that. Okay, so here's the motherboard. So let's take up the retention arm. Pop it open. Right, where's the arrow? Here it is. Right, so let's open this as well. Pick it up by the sides. Where's the gold arrow? There's the arrow. And we have to match it up with the arrow here. Let's put this into here. Wiggle test. Yep. Put it down. Will this pop off? No. How does this come on? Oh, take it off. There we go. Get that in now. So now, how does this apply? It's just got these pins, which we just need to push down. Right, so where's the CPU fan? It's up here, so this is coming. Put this back in. So we could do it this way. Where's the back going? What about to do it this way? Put that to there. Yeah, that would work. Okay, so let's put that down and push this thing in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all in. Yep, and they're all poking through here. So I think that's the CPU applied. Okay, now we're going to mount the motherboard onto the case bay thingamabob. So, let's first put the IO shield in. So, it lines up, which way? This way. So you need to put it in this way. So let's click this into place. Come on. Right, so now that's in, we can take up the motherboard and put this in here. Okay, so let's install the RAM. Open. So this is 8 GB of DDR4 RAM because Skynet supports DDR4. So yeah, oh, get a nice sticker in the box. Right, so let's line the module up. The motherboard says to install a single stick into DIMM 2, so that's what we should be doing. In? Yeah, and that's in. Let's install the sticker.